ma yango nine ondhi boma ma Kampala e piny Uganda koro ywago ratiro mar ng'eyo adieri ewi kama gintie ka giwacho ni nonro mar manyo Jokenya go dhi mos. Giwacho magi seche mane gichopo e apise mag duol ma ochung'ne nono weche mag ratiro mag Uganda e pacho ka. Njagi gioyo mane ondhi Kampala tich adek mar juma mokalo to kuok e romo mar siasa manobagi kod Robert Kyagulanyi mabende ong'ere kod nying mar Bobi Wine. Kado mamalo ma piny Kampala kata boma Kampala e piny Uganda osegolo chik ne jotend arita kod attorney general mar pinyno ni mondo bi ochwal gi e doho tarik 14 mar dwe ma wantiere ne.
We would like for Nicholas and Bob, both of them, to come back, bring them back, and if there's anything that anyone has a complaint on, it's then in a lawful society what we do, we take it to court. We take it to court and we prefer charges.
We are still awaiting feedback from the ministry. We met the PS last evening, Korir Singwe, but we feel that it is still dragging. Yet another day of waiting, and there is no information for our two brothers that are in Uganda, and one more day is torture.
According to the Kenyan authorities, they are telling us that Bob and Nicholas are held in Uganda. Yet, the Ugandan counterparts are telling us that Bob and Jagi are nowhere to be found. It's high time that the two countries read from the same script.
We are still awaiting feedback from the permanent secretary, Dr. Korir Singwe, whom we went to see yesterday, and he had promised that within 24 hours we will have feedback. So we are awaiting that feedback so that we can know what steps to take next.